Hello, this is Melvin from Pintos Automotive Diagnostics Pro. At this time we have this Liberty, it's a Jeep Liberty. They have a problem. The key is stuck on accessories position, so there is no way to take it out the key. So the owner of this car, the lady, called me, explain why that she cannot take it out the key from the ignition switch. So when I come in here to take a look to this problem, the first thing was, let me show you. This is the key is in accessories. Okay, everything look fine. It's fine, but I cannot take it out the key. So I tell her, do you set the parking shifter, the shifter to the parking position? And she said yes. So I tell her, put it back, to the direct, to D, after putting it in the direct, wait, and then put it back to the parking. And she said he did it, but still the key is stuck on the ignition switch. So when I come in here, I saw that was possible remove the shifter from parking, even when the engine off, it's not supposed to move. And you see, was supposed to move it. So I said, why is supposed to move it? It's not supposed to move if the ignition switch is off. So I tried with a release the braking, the brake pedal. So and then the same thing is possible to remove from parking. But when I come in, I saw something right here. Right here is supposed to be something to push to move the shifter from drive. But I don't feel the bump right here. So I say, why it is like that, That is why I can move it even if I don't push nothing. Just taking the shifter, even I don't push anything. Even without the push brake, right here saying apply brake to let this thing go in, and then you can remove the shifter. But in this case, no. Why? Because there is no, the bottom is all the way to the in, supposed to be out. So when I come in here, I remove this cover, and I take a look to this cable right here. This was supposed to go to the front and then release the key over there. But when I try moving a lot, you see, now it's in 1, 2, drive, neutral, reverse, and then parking. This thing moved just a little bit. I was trying to push this cable to that, but it wasn't possible to move it. Oh, now it did it. Oh yes, in this position, I think I can remove the key. Yes. Yep, so the key is now released because you can see it's good. Because I push this cable to the front. Okay, and see what we have now. There is the now, and now I cannot move the shifter. You can see it's not possible to move the shifter because this one is kept out. So that is why I need to set to the 2 position or crank the engine. Okay, push the brake, and then, okay, let me try to do it without pushing the brake. The brake out. Now I can move it, right? Because it's keep like that. So let me push the brake. Okay. Now let me try to push this thing. And yes, you know, the cable go inside, but this keep in. Now I can move it. But even if I don't push anymore, because this thing is all the way in. So what can we do? Okay, that is the good position. When I come in here, something's touching right here. That is why the shifter, this bottom keep not working better. So what is my idea? My idea is put something a little bit of grease. Put a little bit of this grease right here. Over this thing right here. I have to spray the owner. You see if it can work, but still stuck in. So I thinking with something, with some paper or something, just get this thing right here, you know, and then try if it will work or no. The thing is, you have the same problem with your car. Until now, I'm not sure you have to replace whole this assembly. But you have the same problem and you want to take it out the key from the ignition switch. This one. Take a look to this thing right here. If keep in this position with a flat screwdriver, do something like this. Okay. If the bottom is out, now it's possible to remove the key from the ignition switch. Alright? Oh my goodness. Somewhere, but the key is out now. So, how can I do to keep this bottom out, you know, without replacing whole assembly? So my idea is this, you know, put the shifter in this position. Okay, not better because I put some grease right here. Now with a blade, this kind of blade, try to cut something from inside the shifter. I cut small pieces from the shifter right here on the top, but something is stuck right here. Oh yes, nice, good. So I removed a little stuff from inside the shifter. Okay, and now nothing will touch this thing right here and go in and coming out easily. The area. Oh yes, you can see going, coming out, coming in, coming out. The shifter right here. Now all way go out. So yes, very good. Okay, so now I have to put this thing back. Yes, it's working very good. So in this position, I'm pretty sure the ghee will coming out. All right. So the problem is fixed. Yay! Very good. So without replace the shifter, we fixed the problem on this Jeep Liberty. Thank you for watching Automotive Diagnostic Pro video. Have a beautiful day. Bye bye.